Good morning, Catonsville High School students. This is Mr. Hill. I know it's been a while since my last post. I have a lot of information to share with you today, so bear with me. First of all, I hope you all are well, and remember to continue to feed your mind, your body, and your heart. I want to keep you informed about what I've been doing. Remember, I've been doing a little bit of running. I've added a little bit more to my running, which has been great. Uh, I've also signed up to help with Meals on Wheels if you can volunteer. The second thing I like to, third thing is my reading. Here's the book. I told you I was reading this book, and I'm 3/4 of the way through the book, and it's just been a wonderful read, a nonfiction overview to the 1950s. It's been really interesting for me. So I've been reading that. But what I'd like to talk to you today about are two things. The first is what I think is going to be the plan for the remaining bit of the quarter. And then the second is we're going to look to the future a little bit as to how we're going to proceed moving to the future in this time of uncertainty. First of all, I want everybody to know that today, the end of the quarter is still, as far as I know, going to be April 3rd. And that is not this Friday, but next Friday. So I challenge all of you to look over your grades on Schoology to make sure that there is no assignment that you've not turned in or missed. Okay, that's the first challenge for you. So you can still submit and revise assignments because if you look at your grade right now, that grade is what your quarter grade is going to be. The second thing I'm going to ask you to consider is I have posted an assignment that is going to count as an enrichment assignment, which means I'm going to grade it, but I'm going to make it practice. But if you complete the third part of it, I'm willing to consider that as points added to your third quarter grade if you're in the position where you need it. And in order to find this particular location, you're going to look here on the right-hand side of Schoology where I'm pointing, and you'll see there's three different assignments, okay? There's the coronavirus assignment, part 1 of 3, part 2 of 3, and then part 3 of 3. Now, in order to get and I'm not going to call it extra credit, I'm going to say enrichment credit that could be added to your third quarter grade. You can do this third part here. And in order to do that, you have to do the first, second, and third part. So I'm going to click on to show you sort of in essence what it is. It includes the speech by the Dalai Lama, okay? And I've submitted this here for you. The first part is to read the speech. This is his Nobel Prize acceptance speech. Remember, we've looked at a couple of these this year. And you're going to read it, and I've given you this graphic organizer, just questions and some support to understand it. So you're going to first read the speech. That's part 1, okay? Part 2 is to do the précis, and I do have, that's going to be the second assignment, is to do the précis, and the third is to do an SAT style essay. Now let me click on to show you a little bit more about that. So if you go back to our updates here, the first, like I said here, this is the study questions. The second is the précis, so this is just the 4-sentence summary. But the third here is to write the SAT essay, which is at the very bottom of the sheet. I'm only going to ask that you do this in 30 minutes and submit your SAT style essay, which is exactly the same essays we've been writing all year in terms of analysis. If you complete that and submit it and do a 30-minute writing experience with it, that is what could potentially earn you the extra points. But in order to do that, you have to do the other 2 steps. Okay, so that's a change in what we're doing. The second I would like to point out is we're still working on improving our writing, and I do want to point out to you that under the Materials tab, you'll see here under Grammar Resources, the very bottom here is adjective clauses combining. Now you should all be working through each of these steps. At the very, very bottom of it, you're going to see the adjective clauses quiz. That is due by Friday of next week. It's only worth 3 points, but all these steps along the way, if you've been working on those, I've been giving you some feedback to help get you ready for that. So that is this quarter, which ends next Friday. Now, what I've also done is moved the research essay about Sierra Leone or Dominican Republic. I've moved all of that to fourth quarter. So if you've been working on that, you can continue to work on that, but we're going to try to address that fourth quarter when we have a little bit more understanding of how we're going to proceed. So in the meantime, just as a summary, The quarter ends next Friday. You can still submit work you're missing. Number two, if you're interested in potentially improving your grade, or if you want some enrichment activities this quarter, do the Dalai Lama speech, the 3 stages, and submit the SAT essay in order to potentially earn some points for third quarter. And lastly, looking forward, please look over the strategies on adjective clauses and make sure that you work on that. I'm going to submit a video about some clarification issues. And then lastly, take that quiz next Friday. Hope you all are doing well, and I will see you all as soon as possible.